Perplexity launches Comet browser to reveal Google what are the future availability and benefit of Comet. Perplexity AI has officially launched Comet browser, an AI-powered web browser designed to rival Google Chrome by combining advanced artificial intelligence with familiar browser experience built on the Chromium framework. Comet support popular extension and bookmarks will introducing intelligent tool to enhance productivity, research and multitasking. Unlike traditional browsers, Comet goes beyond just displaying website. It can summarize content, automate tasks, manage workflow, and offer personalized recommendation with a sidebar AI assistant, workspace organization, and agentic capabilities. Comet aims to make browsing smarter, more efficient, and context aware, catering especially to researcher, content creator, and professionals seeking an AI enhanced online experience. Comment browser key feature. Comment include a built-in AI sidebar that act as a personal assistant. It can summarize article, draft email, manage schedule, perform multi-step task, and even complete authorized transaction without switching tab or app. Chromium-based foundation. Being Chromium-based, Comet ensure a familiar browsing experience while supporting Chrome extension and bookmark, making it easy for user to transition seamlessly. Workflow and tab management. The browser introduces workspace to organize tab, task, and project. This reduce clutter, maintain context, and improve productivity during complex online activity. Personalized recommendation. Comment uses AI to suggest relevant content, article, and product based on user behavior and browsing habit, offering a mouse more customized browsing experience. Task automation. Through agentic AI capabilities, Comet can carry out tasks like booking, meeting, comparing price, converting web pages into email, and other automated workflow. Productivity tool. Comet also include email prioritization, task management, dashboard, real-time fact checking, and content generation feature that helps user work efficiently. Multimedia and research support. The browser aids content creator and researcher with writing assistant, research summarization, and multimedia content generation. Availability of Perplexity's Comet browser. Comet is currently available in India for Perplexity Pro user on Windows and Mac OS. Android user can pre-order the browser, while iOS support is under development. Perplexity has partnered with Bharti Airtel to provide a free 1 year Pro subscription to millions of users, encouraging widespread adoption. As Perplexity AI statement, Comet browser is designed to enhance web productivity by automating routine online tasks and allowing users to focus on high value activities without constant switching between tab and app. It is AI assistant workspace help reduce tab overload and maintain context, making multitasking seamless. Comet also support research and content creation with AI-driven summarization, content verification, and multimedia tool, while ensuring user privacy through local data storage with encryption. By combining these features, Comet offer a competitive AI-enhanced browsing experience that challenge established browser like Google Chrome's by integrating intelligence practical tool into everyday web use. Positioning and future outlook. Perplexity positions Comet as a next generation browser that transform passive surfing into interactive AI driven task management. With ongoing future expansion, Comet aims to redefine productivity and research online, product, particularly for professional and creator. By combining Chromium reliability with innovative AI tool, Comet seeks to set a new standard in web browsing and emerge as a strong competitor to Google dominance. Comet could mark the beginning of a new category of AI native browsing. Its success may push established players like Google and Microsoft to accelerate their one AI integration.